In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell templates on Base44 Marketplace. We'll walk through the full process of turning one of your existing apps into a paid template listing directly inside Base44. If you already have an app built and you want to make it available for others to purchase and use as a template, this is a straightforward process once you know where everything is located. First, go to Base44 and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All Apps. This is where you can see the apps in your workspace and choose the one you want to turn into a marketplace template. From there, select the app you want to sell and open the app editor. Make sure you're choosing the correct app before moving forward, especially if you have several projects in your workspace. Since you'll be publishing this as a template, it's a good idea to confirm that the app is in the version you want buyers to receive. Once the editor is open, go to the top menu and click Dashboard. This will take you into the main management area for that app. From the dashboard, click on Settings. This section contains the configuration options for the app, including template-related controls. Inside Settings, click on App Template. This is the area where Base44 lets you prepare your app to be listed as a reusable template. When that page opens, click on Ready to create a template. This starts the listing setup process. Next, set the pricing for your template. Under Template Pricing, choose Paid Listing and then enter the price you want to charge. Take a moment here to set a price that matches the value of your template. For example, you may want to consider how polished the app is, how much time it saves other users, and how specialized the use case might be. The key here is simply to choose Paid Listing and enter your desired amount. After your pricing is set, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This is the step that prepares the listing to go live. You'll then see a final confirmation option. Click Publish App to complete the process, and that's it. Once published, your app is listed as a template on the Base44 Marketplace with the paid pricing you selected. If you plan to sell more templates in the future, following the same path through all apps, the app editor, settings, and app template will help you repeat the process quickly and consistently.